Hi everyone and welcome, and today we will be discussing about how to get promo codes in Dragon City. So if you are a Dragon City fan and love to play with your world, this is the video for you. Now before we dive in, you can subscribe to our channel if you haven't done that already. So we have a few methods that you can try to simply get your promo codes. We have every now and often this gem offer just popping up, so you can simply head over to that, and it is also providing you exciting gems and offers, so that could be utilized as well. Make sure to keep an eye for that. Also, you can see you have your Jewels tower, so if you can simply unlock that, you will be getting some of the prizes and bonuses in there as well. So there are multiple live events going on, so using this purple gem icon, you can simply start to participate into that, and that will be providing you a lot of bonuses and rewards, even free gems and much more. So you can similarly win your league arena battles. So it is going to be looking something like that. Make sure to participate into that as well. So these are some of the amazing methods and 100% working methods that you can apply to get your promo codes on Dragon City. It is really recommended. I myself played Dragon City as well, so make sure to subscribe to our channel. Stay tuned for more, and see you guys around in the next video.